Alright, welcome back to another video, everyone. I have got another cool location for you here today. So it's an abandoned restaurant slash gas station slash auto repair shop. So this one's actually a bit of a time capsule. There's lots of stuff left here, and it looks like it's all, the decor is all from like the 70s, which is really cool. You can see behind me here that some of these tables have collapsed, and you can see these retro chairs here and the really cool designs on the wall. So let's not waste any more time and check out this static space. Alright, so like I mentioned in the intro, this is an abandoned gas station slash restaurant slash auto repair shop. And it's a bit of a time capsule, to be honest. It's a really cool place. Found this one about a year ago. Wasn't expecting much, but it actually turned out to be pretty good. So like I said, it's a bit of a time capsule, so there's a lot to see, but at the same time, it's a very small location, so this is probably going to be a fairly short video here. These patterns on the wall are really cool. And I like the color of these chairs as well. Wow. This one is in rough shape. Oh, spider webs. Oh, look at that bathroom tile, eh? Oh, cobwebs everywhere. All over my face now. Oh, they've even got the high chair seats for the babies. Huh. Sugar dispensers. And the salt and pepper shakers up there. What's in here? Another bathroom maybe? Yeah, another bathroom. Oh wow, look at this old school hand dryer. Oh, there's still even some soap. Crazy. You don't very often, well, I guess you do see metal sinks every once in a while. I think I've seen them at Costco quite often. Oh. Oh wait, there's a basement? I don't know if I ever went in the basement. Gonna have to see if I can find that. Wow. Just incredible. It's in such rough shape. Look at this. Like all the tables are left, but now the ceiling is collapsing. I think it's pretty solid still. Not sure where this beam came from. It didn't fall from the roof. It's almost like it was brought in here, or maybe it fell and then it was moved. Not entirely sure. Yeah, so I mean there's a little bit of vandalism, I guess, but not too much. Oh, there's the open sign. And there's the closed sign. Well, I mean, they're both the same, right? Obviously. Wow. This is crazy. We've got a couple of... we got a cottage for sale. Have to blur some stuff out there. And then handicapped equipped van for sale. Huh. Definitely gonna have to blur some stuff out there, I think. Wow. This is pretty incredible though. The amount of decay. It's sort of like at an almost perfect point for the amount of decay that's in here. Oh, we've got the, I don't know, display case, I guess, for their food and stuff. Maybe for pies or something like that. You know, it's a small little restaurant, so maybe they had pies or, I don't know, some other baked goods maybe. Drink dispenser, the windows are all smashed. Too bad the light fixtures are broken. I'd be interested to see what one of them looks like intact. But yeah, you've got the old teapots there. And some glasses still left on the shelves. Jeez. What do we got here? More sugar and salt and pepper dispensers. Oh wow. Look at that, eh? The old coffee pots. Or coffee makers, I should say. Oh, and here's the takeout glasses and cups. And the dine-in mugs. Wow, everything's left here. Pretty incredible. Jeez. Pepsi. I do not recommend or endorse that product. In fact, I don't drink it myself. Oh, we got some dishes there. And a pitcher, a beer pitcher, I guess. Could be for water too. What are these? More beer pitchers. Wow. Yeah, all of the kitchen cooking appliances are... Oh, no, they're not. So I wonder what was here. Maybe a prep table or something? Or storage for all their dishes and whatnot. Here's the stove. The grill and stove. Gas, of course. Oh, here are the fryers. Look at those. They're all full of water and all rusted. That is just filthy and nasty. Absolutely gross. Oh, here's the old fire. This is a weird fire extinguisher. It's actually attached to this like valve system. I've never seen a fire extinguisher like that before. Let's see, 2010. So I guess this place has been closed for about 11 years. Interesting. We got another drink cooler. Got the tongs there. Oh, what's down here? Oh, that goes to the basement. All right, let's go check out the basement. Oh, that's weird. How did someone get a toilet over there? What the hell? That's ridiculous. I've never seen that before. I'm guessing it's not hooked up. Looks like we may not be able to go into the basement here, unfortunately. Oh, there's not much to it anyway. There's just a freezer. That's about it. Huh. It's a little disappointing. I was hoping there'd be something good down here. This looks like the an old fridge or cooler or something. I don't know which it would be. Fridge or freezer, I mean. Probably freezer, I'd guess. I'd open it up, but it looks like it's be too much of a hassle to do that. And I'm sure it's empty anyway. Oh, we've got the got a couple broken trays here as well. That's pretty cool. I mean, I wish they were intact, but old school trays from the 80s. I miss those things. Okay, here's the big cooler. Oh, wow. So we got a few shelves there. Looks like a bakery rack there. And more shelves. Huh, it's actually a pretty big cooler. Bigger than I would expect for, you know, a restaurant of that size. Oh, here we go. What's this? Just a couple pots, I guess. There's one of the fryers. But it's not all rusted. Oh, what's up there? What is this stuff? Oh, it's just HVAC. And we've got this really old school freezer here. Model quality checked. Is that the brand? Looks like an ice cream freezer at the very least. A freezer. Oh, looks like they had bags of ice in there. It's completely filled with water and it's all gross and nasty. Wow. What do we got here? Oh, we got another cooler or freezer. This one looks old school as well. Pretty cool little place. I mean, it's not like the most exciting place I've ever been, but it's not bad. Here's the candy rack with your gums and stuff. Actually, that's just the gum rack as far as I can tell. It's a lot of gum. Oh, here's another cooler. Well, this one's gross. Huh. More racks. Oof. Okay, nothing there. Not much in here, actually. A few telephones. That's about it, though. Oh, here's where all the tools would have been, but they seem to be long gone. Oh, look at the hole in the roof there. Yeah, this place is gonna go soon. They don't last long once there's a hole in the roof. All right, what do we got over here? Oh, this is cool. Got an old couch. I gotta be careful. Look at this floor. There've been a few people that have fallen through. I mean, it doesn't go far, but still. But yeah, look at this comfy chair here. Oh, and there's the cash register tray for all the money. Slush puppies. Out of order. I wonder what was out of order. Oh, this is the gas bar counter. Restrooms in restaurants. Couple more tables here. Oh, look at this. The glass is still intact. That's what I like to see. That is a really cool chair. I mean, it's all rusty and stuff, but reminds me of those, I'm not sure what they're called, but those round chairs, the sun chairs, or whatever they are. Those things are pretty cool. Yeah. It's a pretty cool location. I like it. Oh, here we go. Staff only. So this is the office. Oh, there's some artwork up there. There's the computers. Huh. Pretty cool. Another old chair. And of course an air freshener. We've got these files here. Oh, no, I'm not going to show those because there may be personal information on it and I don't feel like blurring it. Ugh, that's some nasty mold. Alright, thanks a lot for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed this one. I thought it was pretty cool. Like, I mean, it's a bit of a time capsule, right? So, I don't know, I like places like that. And, you know, they all can't be abandoned mansions and big asylums and that sort of thing. So, either way, hope you liked this one as much as I did. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it. Throw a comment down below with anything you have to say. And of course, if you haven't already done so and you want to see more of my content, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you at the next.
static space.